Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're going to be covering how to book 100 plus qualified sales calls for your business, for your agency every single month, utilizing cold email in 2023. Okay guys, so we've dived into the doc now and I'm going to be covering how we can book 100 plus qualified sales calls per month using cold email in 2023. But first, I want you to imagine what would 100 plus sales calls in the next month do for your business. Let's say in the absolute worst case scenario that only 50% of those 100 calls are qualified, and at a 10% close rate, which is terrible, that is 5 new clients closed for your business in the next month. On a $5,000 retainer, that is an additional $25,000 monthly recurring revenue or $300,000 in annualized revenue. So can you actually sit back and think, what would an extra $25,000 do for your business? What would an extra $300,000 over the next year do for your business? What would that mean for you? It means you could take more money, take a higher salary, hire killers, remove yourself from operations, remove yourself from the day-to-day running the business. This just shows you how powerful cold email and cold outbound is if it's done correctly and if you're hitting the volume that you need. So I'm going to walk you through some of the things that you need in order to book those 100 plus qualified sales calls. The first thing that you're going to need is a proven offer. You will not get 100 plus sales calls every single month without a proven offer. Remember, your offer is not the service. It is instead the result that your service delivers to your client. You need to prove that there is a market for your offer and prove that you can deliver your offer. So once you've ticked off both of these, you've got the proof, you've got the backing, and now you can actually scale up to that 100 plus sales calls, because there's no point in scaling to 100 plus sales calls if you don't have a good offer and you're not able to deliver that offer. Because if you take on 5 clients at $5,000 per month and you're not able to deliver what you said you deliver, you're just going to have to refund them the money anyways, and it's going to be a waste of everyone's time. So get a good offer that the market wants and that you're able to deliver as well, and then you can scale up to 100 plus sales calls per month and everything's going to be Gucci. The next thing you need is undeniable competency. To get to that 100 plus sales calls per month, your prospect needs to trust you. This is why you need undeniable proof of your competency in delivering your service. This can take the form of testimonials, videos, client interviews, long-form case study videos or docs, and more, in order to solidify in your client's mind that what you say is true. It is the reason that I'm doing these videos right now. It is the reason that on my landing page, I have video testimonials from my clients to prove my competency, so that my prospects see my cold email and want to learn more about me. They come to my YouTube channel, they're watching my videos right now, they're going to my landing page and they're learning more about me, so that they understand that what I say is true and that what I can do for my client is true as well. You need to prove this in the mind of your client and in your mind of your prospect. Having this in place increases your outbound campaign efficiency as well. So if you have undeniable competency, you can utilize this within your cold emails themselves. You can put in case studies, you can send over case study docs, so that people will see that what you say is true and that it makes them much more likely to jump on a sales call with you. Now, I know I keep banging on about this over and over again, but volume is key. You will not hit 100 plus sales calls per month without significant volume. This means tens of thousands of cold emails are sent every single month. And to do this efficiently, you need a proper cold outbound email system set up and in place in your business. It needs to be automatic. You can't do this manually, and it needs to be able to send tens of thousands of cold emails every single month. Another thing you can do here as well is to call every positive response. Again, I know I talk about this a lot, but it's super important. I'm trying to drill it down into your brain. Reducing the time between a positive response and a sales call is essential. You or your team should call every positive response within minutes of receiving a reply. This allows you to instantly qualify them and get them booked directly onto your sales calendar on the phone. So you've qualified them and you're booking them directly onto your calendar. So you know that your calendar is only full of qualified sales calls, which is good for you because you wake up in the morning and go, great, I've got 10 qualified sales calls to look at today, or 10 qualified sales calls to run through. And you know you're not wasting time with unqualified tire kickers. It's going to be so much better. You also need to follow up like an absolute madman. Money is in the follow-ups. The cash is in the follow-ups, and cold email is a compounding thing. When you start your campaign, it's going to be slow, but the longer a campaign is running, the more prospects have been contacted, the more positive responses have been received, the more meetings you'll book, the more clients that you'll sign. Your campaign should have 5 or 6 initial emails, and then once a prospect has replied positively, it is your responsibility to follow up until, as I always say, they tell you to fuck off or they book in a call. You should be calling them, emailing them, texting them, connecting them on LinkedIn. Even turn up to the house. Don't do this. That is a joke. Do not turn up to the house. That is a terrible idea. You'll probably get arrested for that. But call them, email them, text them, connect them with them on LinkedIn, and anything else you can get in front of their attention. If they've responded positively to your cold email, then you absolutely should be doing everything you can to get them onto a sales call. Now, if you want a system like this built directly into your business, then right now my business, advancedclient.io, is actually looking for 1 or 2 new businesses to partner with and to revamp their entire offer and their entire acquisition process, from outbound prospecting to converting those meetings into cold hard cash using our simplified sales process. So if you want to find out more and see if this is a fit for you and your business, and you're looking to scale up your business and you're serious about scaling up your business, then go to advancedclient.io or just click the first link in the bio. You'll see it. It's super obvious. Watch the VSL, look at my landing page. If you're convinced, if you want to find out more, then book in a call and we can have a quick chat, and you can talk to me or you can talk to my team and we can see if this is a good fit for your business. As usual, pleasure making these, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.